welcome.
Hello, everybody. It is Erin again with Arizona Science Center here with our early morning video. And today we're outside because today we're actually going to be reading a book titled Swirl by Swirl, Spirals in Nature by Joyce Sidman. And we are actually going to be talking about nature today. So again, I thought it'd be really fun to be outside. But to start off, we're going to start off with this book. It's definitely one of my favorites. I absolutely love the story, and the art is pretty cool too. Okay, here we go. A spiral is a snuggling shape. It fits neatly in small places. Coiled tight, warm, safe, it waits. A chance to expand. A spiral is a growing shape. It starts small and gets bigger, swirl by swirl. Can you see all these little swirls? Here's another one. It unwraps itself, one soft curl at a time. Here we have even little plants that swirl, and they unswirl to be really, really tall. The spiral is a strong shape. Its outer curves protect what's inside. Ooh, here we even have a little snail that has a little swirl too. It knows how to defend itself. There's one big one, real big one. Spiral reaches out to explore the world. It winds around and around. It clings tight, grasping what it needs. It never has trouble holding on. See, we have an elephant with a spiral. We have a monkey with a spiral. A spiral is a clever shape. It is graceful and strong. It is bold. Can we find the spirals in the ocean? Here we have it spiraling all the way around. Pretty cool. And beautiful. Nice. Oh, these are spirals. One's over there. A spiral moves. It swirls through water, gathering bubbles. It swirls through air with clouds on its tail. Here we have one, all the way up. It stretches starry arms through space, spinning and sparkling, forever expanding. Or it curls up, neat and small, warm and safe. A spiral is a snuggling shape. Nice. Definitely one of my favorite stories. So with this, it's talking about different shapes that we find in nature. And one of the things that it's actually talking about specifically is spirals. But we can find a bunch more different shapes in nature. So one thing that I already went out and collected, I found some sticks, and I found a bunch of different leaves. Because what's really cool is these leaves they're all leaves. So they're green, some are brown, some are yellow, depending upon the season. But they all kind of look a little bit different. Because here, I actually have leaves from a tree. And they have these little pods, and they have these teeny tiny little leaves. But then I have leaves from another tree that are a lot bigger. Now, what's really cool with these leaves is you can look at them scientifically. Are you ready, guys? So what I have is a magnifying glass and a ruler. And what I want you to do is I want you to go out into nature, see if you can find sticks, rocks, leaves, anything that you can find. And I want you to look at them. What kind of shapes do they look like? How long are they? Are they the same size? Are they different sizes? I don't know. And then what's really cool is sadly, Leaves don't stay forever, even though I want to keep these forever because they're super pretty and they're green and I really like them. You can't really keep them forever. But a really cool thing that you can do is you can actually do leaf etching. So I'm going to show you how to do this right now. And this is something that you can do. And then we're going to explore these pictures as well. So a really cool and easy way to do it is get a crayon and a piece of paper. What you want to do is you want to put the leaf, so the bottom of the leaf is up, put it underneath the picture, put the paper on top, grab a crayon of any color, and then what you do is on the side of it, you just start coloring back and forth. And you can do any color you want. I just picked green because it's the first color I grabbed. There we go. Keep going. You know what's really cool is now you have the leaf on the paper. And what you can do with this is you can use a ruler. We're going to measure it. Let's see. From top to bottom, it looks like it's about 5.5 inches. And then what I also want you to do is what kind of shape does this make? To me, it kind of looks like a triangle a little bit. But what's really cool is I also have these teeny tiny little leaves as well. And they kind of look like a triangle too. Now, last but very not least, what you can also do with these to find a bunch of different shapes is you can actually use them to make shapes, which is why I got the sticks. So what I have is I have my piece of paper here. You can also do this on the ground. But I want to try and make, let's see, I have 4 sticks. What kind of shape can I do with 4 sticks? Oh, I know, a square. Let's do a square. Okay, so square is 4 sides. Go. Boom, made a square. Now, what if I only had 4 pieces, only 4 sticks, or 3 sticks? So if I take one of the sticks away, what kind of shape can I do with that? Let's see. Oh, I know, I was already talking about it earlier. I can make a triangle. So I can use these to make a triangle. So a triangle has 3 different sides. I'm able to make a triangle. And what's cool is using all of these leaves, I can do a bunch of different shapes. I can do a bunch of different etchings, and I can do it in a bunch of different colors with all these different sizes. I can even use these leaves to make a shape and then etch out the shape. So what I want you to try and do is I want you to try and go out in nature around where you live, find sticks, leaves, rocks, anything you can find. And I want you to try and bring it back. And then I want you to try and make shapes with them. And also, what kind of shapes do you see out in nature? Because you'd be surprised how many shapes you can actually find. So you can go out and explore and then find the shapes and talk about the shapes and ask yourself, what kind of shapes do I see? Do I see a shape? Do I not see a shape? Does it look like a perfect triangle? Or is it just kind of triangle-like in shape? So that is your challenge today. Go find some shapes in nature, do some etchings, as many as you want. And of course, my name is Erin. I'm with Arizona Science Center. Please come back to azscience.org to see a bunch more videos and a bunch more really fun activities that you can watch and do. Until next time, bye.